I'm the woman. This is the Hw-YT3 YouTube. The first thing is require first create a file name names.txt consistent of first and last name for one per line. Second is write program that's read in the name is line of name.txt, then write out a new file name with names and the number for .txt. Its line up would begin with first and last name from name.txt followed by the numeric value of whole name and convert all the letters to lowercase and text numeric value of A to 1, B to 2, etc. And then we create this for this guy. So first thing I create a name, file name like that, and then we have a John Smith, Jojo, Roy Rogers, Elizabeth Taylor, William Harden, and June Brown, ABC, Def, like that guy. So and then I close for this guy. I'll be save first, have a save, and then we close it. I'm not yet create the file names and uh, um name and number for this is not yet create here. So this is coding the for the requires the first thing I put for that means this name for and then create in file by open name.txt and or I mean for reading in the file for open here open the file name this guy. The second one for the our file so open the name and number.txt and w right. This is the file they will create after they running on functions. Next, I create the list for alphabet. I put the alpha, the include all the 26 letters in here. Second one, create for the loop. The first is for ch. This is the name in in file read read lines. I mean they read in the file names in here. Next one, have a SD put for the sentence or to work like that. This is the name and by ch the name is here and dot rs strip. Rs strip is use this here for return a copy of string with a trailing character remove it. I mean they connect from the first and the letter and the number together in the file name and number value one here and split them in like um divide and then they cut for divide for the word or the letter or one word or in a sentence by the smaller and count by zero. The first thing will count by zero in the number. Uh, and then we have a second loop in here. The first sent I call it is 81 in the 80 from here from the bit loop, and then the ladder by the lower case in by all the ladder is in lower case, and then create one more loop in here is for num in the ladders. It is we create the number we count by alpha dot index and num and then plus one because they count from zero. So ladder alpha here they have get from 26 for I create the list in front here, and then phrase I put a name phrase by the space empty space here like for adding here and join sc in the first in the loop and the plus for the space here for empty space here for the second and a string the count in here for the number, and then plus for slot n for it means they bring out in the each line. They don't collapse or they have to go to the second line, but in the same meaning. And then next we put out file doc write in phrase when they write for the second. They the number in the second. Now file of name and number. And bring out the space here, join together and string count how long how 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 long for the string or the phrase or the sentence. And then the last one I create in file doc close after they read it and then create the new and they add more number in there and then they close and the out file close they are close on the okay, let I see it. I will run in for this guy get a sample. Yes, I have a sample right here. They have run John Smith 190 116 and Geo 120, Roy Roger 140, Elizabeth Taylor 179, William Harden 140, June Browse 122, ABC Dab 28. Okay, we will see this guy in this file they create for this guy. This is file they just create after I run it on the code. Then I will click on here. I open the file. Yes, it's the same with running in Python for the cell here. We compare here together. Anyway, yep, we created that and compare the same. All right, thank you for listening for me.